Hey guys, in this video we'll go over how to check your WIC balance in Ohio. So you need to use the WIC Shopper app for Ohio to basically keep track of your benefits and how much balance you have. So once you're in the app, you're gonna come here and click on the My Benefits button after you basically registered your card. And then when scanning products, you'll also be able to see if the product is WIC eligible and if you actually have the benefits to purchase the product. So go ahead and tap this option in the top right corner of the screen, and you can also go ahead and see what different purchases, right? What different categories are available that you can purchase, and you can even view some recipes for them as well, right? So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.